All right, taking a look at SEI here once again. So SEI, if we look on the much smaller Fibonacci here, going from the low to the high, you can see we hit the 618, and that is the bottom of this green box we have on the chart at about 50. So as long as we hold the green box here, I would say this thing's gearing up to go. Now, as I say, gearing up to go, we're forming this very bullish double bottom with a higher low pattern off of this support level, and that shows me that the price is about to do that. As long as you're keeping this very bullish market structure here, that could very well play out. Now, I'm not saying it has to, but that's what I'm seeing on the chart here. And I tend to favor the bullish moves just due to the fact that, in my opinion at least, we are in a bull market here. And SEI here is a good pick. It's a good play, and it's going to continue going here. So I think after from the low, we've had this fib drawn on the chart for a good while. So going from the low to the high here, you can see we poked up a little bit above it, which we could adjust this here, but since it's respecting the levels, we're keeping it here. Now you can see we came up and we hit the 382 perfectly here at 41, had a nice bounce back over the 236, but ultimately, as I showed you in the beginning here, going from the low to the high, we're holding on to the 618 here. So as long as you hold on to this green box, this could potentially play out to where we start moving back up. If you take out the green box, of course, none of this matters. None of that's going to play out, and we're coming back down to the 382, and you're potentially going to drop 20% and potentially lower than that. So just keep an eye on those levels there. And as for how high SEI is going to go, you got to realize that it already did about a 10x from the low. And from, let me move this down to where we are today in this green box. You can see that if you're really bullish on this project here, you can see a $16.8 billion market cap. Let me roll this in a little bit. And that would give you almost a 12x. And to be a little more conservative, a $9.6 billion market cap up to about $3.80 would give you a 6x. We're not even going to focus on the $3.3 billion market cap here. I think that's just a no-brainer. So we're either going to hit 380 or about 660 on these red lines here, which are Fibonacci levels that we just kind of cleaned up the chart just so we could see it a little better here. So what are you guys' thoughts on SEI? Do you think this is going to be a massive project here? I think it has a lot of potential, and we'll see what happens. So with that being said, none of this is financial advice. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.